Well, I was born and raised in New Orleans, Louisiana, which is its own colorful location on the face of the earth, and I still have relatives there, and I adore it. But my family relocated to Houston, Texas when I was a teenager. So all of my training, all of my academic training and my scientific background and research experience was in Houston, which is an extremely rich place to be a basic scientist. There, the medical community and medical research is an enormous part of that community. So I was very privileged to be able to have some wonderful experiences and some wonderful laboratories there. But then when I got finished with my postdoc and got recruited to work for a large pharma company in the Biotech unit, moved to Chicago. And since then, I've continued that part of the career. But I guess what the thing is, you can take the girl out of the South, but you can't take the South out of the girl. So that lives through us today in our house. Well, there were those who would say that I don't ever have anything away from work, that work and life are synonymous. And certainly being a consultant, if you think that you can work ceaselessly in an office, imagine what it's like when you have an office that's with you all the time. And with electronic communications, I'm supposed to be in touch 24/7 anywhere, which suits me just fine. I'm far too nosy not to be wanting to know what's going on all the time. But my hobbies when I actually take a break are painful stabs at gardening. I long to be an English gardener. And I keep trying to plant these lovely English plants. If I can grow a delphinium one day, it'll be just my joy. I can't get that. But my roses are quite stunning. I have a rose garden that is quite extraordinary. Although coming from Heathrow to here, I was looking at people's rose gardens. How do you get roses to grow in garbage cans? I mean, that's just not fair. That is not fair. I tend mine with great care. And there's roses growing on trash heaps here. It's ridiculous. But my other passion is to cook, which, I wear my resume in that regard, but I enjoy cooking, and I get to marry my experiences as a cook with my history as someone from New Orleans, because we have Mardi Gras parties every year at our house. And now I have a Mardi Gras party for Biotech community every summer, and it's a lot of fun. We look forward to it every year, and have had as much as 150 people at one time in my house from the Biotech community from around the world. So yeah, that's one of the benefits of having attended my classes, is that you have a standing invitation permanently to my house, to the party. That's right, exactly. Anyone who's ever attended one of my classes, not only do they have a direct pipeline to me forever after, but they also have a standing invitation to come to my house in the summer for the Biotech Mardi Gras party.